Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the timesheet on the Connecteam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the Assets button down below. Tap on Time Clock within the Operations section. And now you should click on this Timetable button at the top. Here you can find the timesheet. Tap on a day and here you can find today's shifts. And if you want to add a new request, click on this Add a New Request button so you can add a shift request or a time off request. Here you can add the shift, including the job, starting time, ending time, total hours, ending a note, and you can also add a time off request. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.